Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click on this icon to download your app. And now you can click open. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click skip. Then you can sign in, or you can click skip again. Now you can turn on notifications, or you can click skip. And here you can choose your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And now you can select your toolbar placement and then click save and start browsing. And as you can see, my browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.